Hey guys, don't forget to ring the bell after subscribing. This way you won't miss my new videos.
Yes, 2 GB hard drive. सब जगह खाते रहता हूँ. Alright, so you know when you open up your old stuff, like all your old boxes, and you take out things, all your old relic stuff, there are so many memories that come to you. Today I'm gonna share a couple of those memories with you guys because we are trying to open up a couple of boxes in which I have my old clothes and books which we want to donate to the Christmas fundraiser drive. But I've opened like one or two stuff and then there's so many good memories that are like coming to me, so I'm like, okay, let me share this with you guys who watch my video, and in the last few years you guys have become like a family to me. So this is it. Let's go. Okay, check this out. Paras is here. He's back from Bhutan. He's also bought a couple of old clothes. Actually, बहुत बड़ा बस्ता आया है. So I just big full of bag. He's dumped it in the car below, and I'm like trying to find my old clothes, and I'm like finding clothes which are new. I thought I lost them, but they're just in the bag, and some of them still fit me. And they're like new. It's just that it's been wrinkled because it's in bag. What my mom is saying is, she's asking me to donate my Zeus riding jacket, which is like lying outside in the balcony. She's like, वो बाहर वाला एक jacket है वो दे दो करके. And Paras is like, no, I'm wearing Zeus. नहीं देना है इसको. And my mom is like,
हालत देखो उसका.
अरे हालत मतलब उसको अभी. अरे she's moving my camera and all this. Okay, so she's saying I'm anyway not. Oh, that's my karate dress. Yeah, that's my karate dress. This is very old, like बचपन का karate dress. So, yeah, so my mom is saying like, कैसे भी touring तो कर नहीं रहा है, दे दे अपना Zeus riding jacket. यार सब लोग मजा उड़ा रहे हैं. touring को वापस आना पड़ेगा लगता है. क्या बोलते हैं? Has to be, okay, alright. Everybody wants me back in touring. My Debian t-shirt, guys. Debian. Fuck, this is a very old t-shirt. It's very back, all those back geeky days. Back to those geeky days. Very old t-shirt. You gotta be Team Debian to get a t-shirt like this. Woo! देख भाई, जिंदगी कहाँ से कहाँ आई है. From being an Uber geek to being a YouTuber. So this is a turtleneck. I used to wear this like in college, like last 5 years of college, and I drew this thing. Like I had the habit of drawing spider on my stuff since like school. Okay, since before I saw Spider-Man, I used to have spiders as pets. So I used to draw them. Different kinds of spiders. If anybody from my school is watching this vlog, they would know who I am, even though you don't like see my face. Maybe you'll like suddenly figure out, oh fuck, ye banda. So yeah, this is going. It still has a heart, so I just took the heart from here to become Heartbroken Viker. I left the spider. Yeah, this is 15-year-old shirt, dude. Just imagine, and the fabric paint has still stayed on. Very nice. This is quality of fabric paint. This is what I said. Like, आजकल बच्चों को वो poster colors ये वो नहीं मिलते होंगे. And this guys is my Tramp t-shirt. It's a very old t-shirt. There's a vlog, very old vlog on my channel. They're like Tramp Tiger or like Bonneville or ऐसे चीज लेके घूम रहे थे हम. Tramp t-shirt, very old, going away, not gonna stay. पहना भी एक ही बार था मैं उसको, आई थिंक 1 या 2 बार, बट बस बहुत हो गया टाइम मेरे लिए. निकाल भाई, अभी बहुत सारे सामान बाकी है भाई. I was contemplating on giving away my backpack also, my backpacking backpack, because I told it's like torn. I tried to repair it twice, and Paras is saying नहीं, हम फिर से रिपेयर कराएंगे. तो ठीक है, पारस के ऊपर छोड़िए. मेरी मम्मी ने कहा है कि पारस रिपेयर करके लाएगा. This is an example of things that you should not be donating. This is my swimming short. from the time that I wanted to learn swimming, I'm like very afraid of swimming. Someday I would love to finish learning that thing, but short तो खरीदा था, ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया. जाता था स्विमिंग पूल में, बैठ के रहता था 4 फीट पानी में. तो someday, yeah, but फिर से again, this is a spider that is drawn with fabric paint. I drew it long back. Huh? I wanted to swim like a fish, but when I went to the water, I
was rather a bottle than a fish.
I was rather a what?
Bottle.
I was rather a stone than a fish. Chal bhai, yeah, this is rejected stuff. All these are like rejected stuff. Okay, this is going. This is approved stuff. Nikal bhai, aur nikal. This t-shirt got amazing memory, alright. This is a weird, horrible color to wear, especially in shopping malls. एंड ये पहन के ना मैं लिटरली अपने एक्स के साथ चलता था शॉपिंग मॉल. जब भी जाना है यही पहनना था मेरे को. एंड शी बी लाइक, यही क्यों पहन के आते हो? बट या मज़ा आया. किस नहीं पता किसके पास जाएगा, बट ट्रूथ ऑफ लाइफ. सो दिस इज 17-year-old shirt now. So custom color 2017-year-old shirt. I used to wear this to college without buttons, like button खोल के एकदम टी-शर्ट अंदर पहन के कुछ मस्त वाला, ठीक है, बटन खोल के आता था शर्ट. और लेक्चरर्स जो आते थे, लाइक क्लास में घुसते ही लेक्चरर आते थे, इधर आओ, और उसके पास जाओ तो बंदा मेरा बटन बंद करता था. लाइक भैया थोड़ा डिसेंटली आया करो, ये कॉलेज है. So हाँ, मतलब good boy बना करो, college and all that. So alright, so I found this one. This is like a 4-year-old T-shirt. It's not like an NGO. It's just a group of friends who have named their cause. You understand? It means Sayam Chedam Foundation means let's help. Sayam Chedam. Sayam means help. Let's do it. You basically pull out people out of darkness of and then take them to light through education. Responsibility towards earth. The professions that are dying out in India, like weaving is dying out in India, right? Nobody wants to be a weaver anymore. So slowly I think like farming will like start dying out, like the old style farming. So that is traditional kind of a thing. I've been in charity for quite a long time now, and doing it alone is kind of very tough, okay. But when I found these guys, right, because there are a lot of NGOs who are bogus fuckers, you know, right? You understand? पैसा लेते हैं या वो हाँ, वो क्या करते हैं, पैसा से अपना खुद का पहले पेट भरो, देन बाकी जो बचता है हाँ उससे ये करते हैं, which is something I hate. So when I found these guys, they were like, एक पैसा नहीं ये लोग वेस्ट कर देते, पता है. एंड ये लोग लेते भी नहीं है डोनेशंस का. खुद ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स है, अगर तुमको पसंद है डायरेक्टली आओ, कॉज को देखो, तुम डायरेक्टली डोनेट करो, जो करना है करो. दे एंड देन नोबडी इन दिस लाइक ग्रुप फोकसेस ऑन वन लीडर और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. Everybody is important. Everybody is like helping out and all that. And I've gone to like many rural districts with these guys. वो गर्ल चाइल्ड किलिंग के अगेंस्ट भी हम लोग we went there. You would not believe what's like when we went to those tribal areas. कैसा stories हम like सुने ना, like the real happenings of how girl children are killed when they're like infants, when they're born, and not even born type, even mother and girl both will get killed inside the womb, and the mother is also killed. So all that shit, right? Like, so they keep doing. I also keep sometimes keeping in touch. Earlier I was very actively involved. Abhi again I've branched out to do it a little loner for a few days on YouTube, but someday I'll be back to them, so I'm not giving this t-shirt yet back to them, as well as I'm making more and more friends who are like true helpers on this planet, not for fame, not for क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
not for fame, not for money,
not for views. So making friends with such people, so someday my goal is not like to become a YouTube star. My goal is to someday like have all these people, friendship with all these people, where I can make a better impact as a person, and be more useful to these kind of people, because I want them to lead and I can push something like that. This is another t-shirt connecting Myanmar. This was gifted to me one of my hosts while backpacking. जो backpacking videos मैंने अब तक डाले नहीं हैं, जो traveling videos मैंने अब तक डाले नहीं हैं. भाई चाय पी रहा है? हो गया? अरे मेरा अभी भी ठंडा हो रहा है. My mom always like ready to complain about me. जो इसका थोड़ा प्रिंट निकल रहा है यार, इसको पहनना पड़ेगा. मैं इसको लाया, सोचा मैं थोड़ा स्लिम बिकॉज ये गिफ्ट आया था. मैं सोचा थोड़ा पतला होके पहनूंगा, यू नो, बिकॉज बैकपैकिंग जाता हूँ, सब जगह खाते रहता हूँ तो मोटा हो क्या आ गया था. कौन सा अपने को और 2 बॉक्सेस खोलने हैं एंड अंदर भी बॉक्सेस है जो मैं आज नहीं देखूंगा. आज लेट हो जाएगा, वरना इवेंट ही नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. ये है मेरा, इसमें भंडार है, मतलब देयर लाइक प्रोग्रामिंग बुक्स, देयर लाइक टेकी बुक्स, लिनक्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बुक्स, सब बचपन में पढ़ा करता था मैं. माइक्रोवेव डिवाइसेस का बुक है ना वो. या
I'm probably going to steal this.
He wants to steal my sleeping mat inside the tent.
I got the mat. I don't have the tent.
ये मेरा ब्लैकबेरी ने दिया था ये मेरे को. I've been a very old user of BlackBerry.
Hydration pack.
Yeah, hydration pack. Like मैं टूरिंग में ये लेके आता था. इसमें पानी भर के रख दो, बाद में ना फोल्ड कर लेंगे. फोल्ड दिस थिंग. और एक जैकेट पे ये
इसको फोल्ड करके
हाँ, just hook it up and like you roll it off when you don't need it. Very nice stuff. अभी मिला मुझको वापस. Mandriva का पेन. God, this is 2008 stuff. I don't know if it still works. Mandriva. How many of you guys know Mandriva? So yeah, this is my grandfather's book. I did not finish reading it, but it's a pretty nice book actually. And he was awesome at math. And I used to learn this shit. This he gave me to learn probability, I think. Fuck, कितना पुराना newspaper है ये? Fuck. Yeah. Just imagine, this is not about automobiles. This is about probability and statistics. Without having those formulas, like literally to understand probability statistics so nicely. यार आजकल कोई पढ़ाता नहीं है ठीक से. मैथ्स इज अ ऑसम सब्जेक्ट. आजकल सब चूतिया जैसा पढ़ाते हैं, सब बट्टी करो, ये करो. This is one more shit, Bab. I read this thing when I was 18 years of age. Corporate loss. It was not my subject. It was for something. I don't want to reveal that in my videos yet. I read the whole freaking thing. मतलब apart from my engineering, I've done like I don't want to say it on my vlog. मजा आएगा यार, बाद में मजा आएगा. ये देख भाई. DOS 6.6.2 बचपन के बुक्स है यार. और क्या क्या भाई इस जंगल में दंगल करो. माइक्रो प्रोसेसर एप्लीकेशंस, जनरल नॉलेज. ये कॉर्पोरेट लॉ अगेन 2007 में कुछ हुआ था. Why I have corporate law books in 2007? Because I did something back then. Not my subject again. Like क्या microwave devices?
हाँ शायद.
Oracle. This is also very old book. And just imagine, I read these books before I joined engineering. And मेरे को engineering में पढ़ाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. Because I read all of these like when I was in 8th class, 9th class. अंडरस्टैंडिंग सीक्वल. ओ भाई कौन सा जमाना का बुक है. Oh shit, look at that. Computer system architecture and then programming in C with Balakrishna Swamy. Bhai sahab, you know I never read this fucking book. Supposed to read it because college में था syllabus. No, syllabus में था. I'm supposed to read this, but I never read it. Because I learned C++ first. Everybody learns C first, then they learn C++. For me, it was ulta. I learned C++ first when I was in 9th or 8th class.
What is this? American National Standard of
Institute. American National Standard Institute.
Drive.
Yes, 2 GB hard drive. My first hard drive.
It's like half. It's like 500 grams.
खोल उसको पैक करके रखा है मैंने.
Prehistoric bullshit.
This sorry. अरे अच्छा से पैक करके रखा था भाई. अब मेरे पास 64 MB, 32 MB RAM, like 32 MB RAM, okay?
Okay, it's a KBR WD.
Yes. KVR Western Digital 2200. Check this out. कितना पकड़ इसको, मेरा ये नहीं हो रहा है फोकस. कहाँ गया?
2000.3 MB.
नहीं.
You're serious right now?
Yeah. 2000.3 MB. Okay.
Dinosauric bullshit.
Dinosauric bullshit. Yes, that's my first hard drive. इसके ऊपर मैं इस हार्ड डिस्क पे मतलब इस पे नहीं खेलते थे, ऑब्वियसली फ्लॉपीज डाल के डेंजरस डेव एंड व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट, प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया, वो सब गेम्स खेलते थे. इस पे कोरल ड्रॉ यूज़ करता था मैं. ओके, इस हार्ड डिस्क पे. दिस इज 1995 शिट. ओके, 1995. यस, 2 GB हार्ड डिस्क. राइट पारस, चलो और एक पिटारा खोलते हैं. ये क्या साल है? ओके, दिस इज अनदर. ए मेरा पुराना प्रो बाइकर ग्लव्स. ए नहीं, मास्क नहीं है रे. दिस इज माय अगेन स्पाइडर वेब एडिडास के कैप है पुराना. आई डोंट थिंक दिस फिट्स माय हेड. टीनेज के टाइम पर का कैप. ओह, दैट इज माय किक बॉक्सिंग का. हाँ, किक बॉक्सिंग का wraps, hand wraps. कभी खुशी कभी गम. प्रो बाइकर के gloves.
No, but उस टाइम के लिए that was a very.
हाँ यार, very old gloves. वो टाइम में फट भी है.
But ये चलता था पता है, because it lasted really long.
अरे स्ट्रीट के लिए हाँ.
This
लेकिन ठंडी में ना, ठंडी में फट जाएगी. बच्चा लोग मुंह पे देके मारेगा मेरे को वापस. ये क्या पढ़ा रहा है मेरे को, छोटा भीम का बुक देना. इंटीग्रेटेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स क्यों दे रहा है मेरे को. बस आई लव दिस बुक. एंड ये बुक एक्चुअली
like we have science project books, है ना, for kids.
हो सकता है. हाँ,
We can probably get that.
फाइंड इट.
We can find it in the bookstore.
फिर वो पता है, none of these fucking books are in my syllabus in engineering. मैं ऐसे ही बुक्स खरीदता था कोटी वोटी से, मेरे को मज़ा आता था. मैं अगर मेरे को बोलो कि एग्ज़ाम है पढ़ाई करो या सिलेबस के लिए पढ़ाई करो, आई कांट फकिंग डू इट. हम लाइक बाहर में जाओ. बट मेरे को अगर कुछ सब्जेक्ट मज़ा आ गया ना, तो मैं उसको बैठ के ऐसे अननेसेसरी बुक्स खरीद के पढ़ता था. क्या घंटा उखाड़ा है तुमने, इंजीनियरिंग का घंटा उखाड़ा है. या लर्निंग वाज फन लाइक, बट रीडिंग फॉर पासिंग एग्जाम्स वाज लाइक.
भाई इसमें बच्चा लोगों को देने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है.
Linux for you, it's pretty advanced stuff. This is very old stuff. I have books from 2001 I think. Linux magazines. 100 Linux magazines है मेरे पास पड़े हुए.
Seriously?
Yeah, I have to put it on my bike.
Akrapovic, be a good friend. No, give me this.
For Christmas,
Yeah.
this
Be my
guy,
Santa. Be my Santa.
be your Santa. He wants my Akrapovic for Christmas. Hey, रख उसको. It's a Lorenzo MotoGP shorty exhaust रख. उसका पाइप पड़ा हुआ है अंदर. Mid pipe. Actually 390.
See this is
You don't have the
size of 390.
Yes, it's a 2-inch. I had to tone it down for the R15 mid pipe पे. Yeah.
Why? Keep it stock. Give it to me. I'll
No.
keep it stock.
रख उसको. इतना भी सैंटा नहीं बन रहा मैं. चलो ब्रक, लेट हो रहे हैं हम लोग इवेंट पे. You smoke bong with it. Alright guys, so that is done. I've collected all my clothes which I wanted to give away. Paras here is doing some stuff with my helmet. I don't know, but we are heading off to the Christmas fundraiser event. I don't think I'll vlog it. I'm not sure because it will be like very.
No, we won't be vlogging.
We won't be vlogging it. Yeah.
You need
and-
to come over here to experience.
Yes, you need to have been there to experience that stuff. But
It's gonna be epic though. That's for sure.
yeah, I hope you loved this vlog, which ran down through my memories, because while taking out my old stuff, I had so many memories with my stuff, like the books, like the t-shirts, the drawings on the t-shirts and everything. I hope you loved the vlog, and it has also given you a little insight into my life, which I don't really say. So a lot of people do not know what HBB is or was before he came to YouTube. I think a little bit of hints and everything has been done in this video, so you can know me better. So I hope you loved this vlog. If you did, let me know in the comments below. And in the upcoming videos, I'll try to reveal more and more about me slowly. And And this 2017 is going to be amazing. I hope you guys are all having fun, and don't forget to watch my other videos which are linked on the screen. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is Heartbroken by Kid signing off. Sayonara.